I'm Rupesh Sai. I'm from Vijayawada, Andhra Pradesh. I have completed my BTech in the stream of Electrical and Electronics Engineering from TVPSIT Vijayawada. Like I'm having some knowledge on this field. Like I have did project, so I came interested in this field. So with the help of my friend, I have joined here. Like in my final year, I have did one project which is based on IoT. There I have developed the interest, and I have searched in the industry where I can continue my goal. So with the help of my friend, I came to know about Emertxe. So I have joined here to gain both the technical and practical knowledge. Generally, if we see in academics, we only have the theoretical knowledge and we just only study whenever we require. So here we have both the technical and practical knowledge, and we have both classes and lab sessions which help to improve our both the knowledge in practical also. If we see the curriculum itself having assignments, so which help to gain the knowledge sessions which I have studied in the classes. So that helps to improve our knowledge. So by doing the assignments, we get to know about the whole picture of how everything is doing. There is one instance where a project helped me a lot. Like in the interviews itself, that I'm only target on the projects itself. So in Emertxe, I have done 8 projects. And one project which the interviewer asked was LSB steganography. He asked in detail. So by doing the project by my own, I get to know about whole picture and I can explain well in the interview. So it helps me to get a job. Previously, I have interviewed in 3 companies and have got rejected in second round and last round. But here, in my first attempt itself, I have cleared that interview and I'm very happy about it. If we see the procedure for Sandisk, there are basically 3 rounds. We have both technical rounds, technical 1 and technical 2. And later we have managerial round. In technical round and technical 2, we have to be more knowledge on the concepts like C, microcontrollers, and the main thing is protocols. So the mainly asked questions on protocols. So these things we need to be more knowledge so that we can crack them. If you see, Sandisk is a global leader in flash memory storage devices. They have developed products like SSDs, SD cards, and pen drives. Like the role they offered was quality assurance, where we need to test the protocols like trending protocols like NVMe and PCLE. They mainly targeted on the basic protocols which that are taught in the Emertxe. So that helped me a lot. If we see the overall journey in Emertxe, it took around 8 months for me to complete the course. Like initially, I'm having some ups and downs, like some difficulties in learning the concepts, but faculty members and lab mentors helped me a lot to solve my doubts, and they have taught me the subjects later in the classes. So after we need to make sure that we have to clear our doubts whenever we have any doubts. So the assignments and projects helped me a lot to gain the knowledge. One thing that motivated me was we need to be a continuous learner, so we can grab the things and we can memorize the things. And by doing the projects, we have both the practical knowledge so that if any interviews ask the questions, we can easily answer them. And some downs which I have faced, like can I do it or can I achieve my goal? But mentors always play important role in supporting me. And also we have to do the assignments. So by doing by ourselves, it helps to gain the knowledge instead of copying. This was my whole journey in Emertxe. One thing I want to say to the people was, if you have any doubts, get it clarified that day itself. And also try to do the projects and assignments by your own. Do not copy from any AI tools. So it helps to build the knowledge.